Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to God's Garage. This video is just a talk video, but I am working with maxspeedingrods, the same people who I have bought coilovers for in my past videos. The same coilovers are actually on my Honda right now. The turbo that I'm using actually on the Honda, and they have a lot of other things like forged rods, pistons, and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in any of that, I'm going to put a link in the description below. You guys can click on that link, and anything you buy helps me out a little bit. So yeah, I'm not too sure how it all works yet. I mean, it's the first time, but the link will be below. So I just encourage you guys just to click the link, check it out if you guys need some cheap coilovers. They work pretty good actually. I don't have any, I never had any issues with them. I have past videos where I do a review on them and stuff like that, and they seem to work out pretty well. So yeah, please hit that link, and if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe. Intercooler video is coming soon. There was a delay on shipping for some reason. Maybe they were out of stock or something like that. I'm not too sure, but intercooler kit is coming, so we're going to be finishing up the Honda. That way we can start to tune it, and injectors, we got to do injectors. But yeah, just make sure you guys go check out that link, whatever. I know maxspeedingrods aren't the greatest coilovers in the world, but they're actually pretty decent, and I think they get a lot of I don't think people actually give them the credit because how cheap they actually are. I mean, compared to like BC, which I heard were bouncy anyways, or Fortunato 500s, which are $1,400 coilovers. You can actually get a set of coilovers for like $250 or less, and fully adjustable, and yeah, just make your car look good and perform better. And yeah, so I mean, if you got some blown struts and if you got some blown struts on your E36, instead of just buying OEM, I mean, for about the same price, you can just get fucking some adjustable coilovers to make your car stance and look fucking dope. So hit that link. I encourage you guys to, and I hope you guys do. And all the money will be going back into the YouTube channel. And yeah, so you guys have a great day, and I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I appreciate all the subscribers. Like I said, my goal is 500 by the end of this month. And you guys just stay different.